Another way that we've brought in that experimental approach outside the mini papers, just within the narrative of the text, has been to introduce small excerpts of experiments that were done, and those are matched with a very simple figure, sort of an experimental figure. And those experimental figures are just simplified versions of the scientific method that's been gone through to come to a conclusion on a particular hypothesis. So we give students, it's like set up like a little box, like a small simple chart, and there's pictures in it, artwork in it, but it's just a simplified, really quick and easy way to make that scientific method sort of approachable to them. So it starts with an observation that they saw and a hypothesis that was generated from that observation, the results that came from the experiment that they then did. And these experiments that they did were really, really simple experiments, very elegant but simple experiments to get nice, clean results, and then what the conclusion was. So there's several of those throughout the textbook, and they help to build, not only an approachability to this experimental approach, but to work on students' analytical skills, to see that the scientific method really is a method, and that it's a simple way of putting into context observed facts by analysis and careful observation, and then designing a simple experiment to come to a solid conclusion about what that all means. And then, of course, it goes on from there.